Whew. Praise the Lord. Hey y'all, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. Let's get into this wig. Let's go. But this is how I've been wearing my hair the last 5 days. Same scarf and all. No glue. Here's my hair. I forgot. Let me work some magic. It's gonna be all in the hot comb. Turn it on high. We're gonna need you, girl. Whew. Praise the Lord. Sister Anna Mae? Tina Turner? But I have to figure this out and make this cute, so. So for this tutorial, just watch it, because I'm not doing too much tweaking. This a must. You need a wax stick. And it doesn't matter which brand. I got these from the hair store and they cost $24 and they on point. I'm about to go sit down in the middle. My knots definitely came bleached. It's like I want to do a middle part, but then again, it's like, just don't do any part. Just flip that joint over. Should I do that? Okay, let me just glue it down first. And I mean, clearly you have to have makeup. I'm actually gonna put it on with my glue. Not much shedding at all. Let's go. Yep. That's it. Okay, this is more like it. And this wig for real took me like 15 minutes. feel like I just need a different color or another color in the front, like some lighter streaks. But other than that, I'm here for it. Alright, I'll show you guys how it looks a couple days later. I'm ready to wet it and go back to this middle part. So yeah. Alright, so I went ahead and wet one side. Let me show you how I detangle the left side. Saturate the hair first. This is just plain water. Now I actually take a wide tooth comb and detangle. Okay, now let's spread again one more time, and I use my dimming brush to actually define the curls. See them curls popping through? So I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry a bit before I put it back on. Okay, so much better. Apparently I just needed to wet this. So I changed my shirt, put on this black shirt so you can see like this hair color pop.